Hello heroes, Joe Smith here. Just got back from the Harbor Freight Tool Store and we got a truckload of stuff. How much? This much. Yeah, 3 receipts. 3 separate transactions here for everything. Had 30% off A items under $10 this weekend, and ITC members got 30% off A items under $20. So Joe Smith last Sunday started the ITC membership again. Had it several years ago for a couple years. Went ahead and did 2 years, and money saved last week. Saved $20 last Sunday, and saved enough today to basically pay for the membership for 2 weeks, for the 2 years. More than enough. Came out ahead, even don't even buy anything else with the membership for the next 2 years. So it might be worth getting, might be worth looking into, especially when they have that 30% off under 20. Savings just really racks up. Like, let's look at all the 30% off savings. I got 2 more of these little air compressors. Liked it so well so far. I'm going to do a video using them here too, showing them off some more. But like the one I got last week so much, I decided to get a couple more. That way you got one in the shop for just mowing up or filling up some bike and motor tires real quick around the shop, around the yard, without having to drag out the air holes. Also keeping one in the truck for mobile repairs and pickup and deliveries if needed. And figured go and get another one, stick in the BMW. Had a coupon for $10 off. The air compressors, they were $25 at $10 off. And then plus got the $20 off combo price where you get the batteries and the charger. So saved $30 on the 2 air compressors, 2 battery, 2 charger combos. Saved another $20 on this 3/8 impact wrench battery charger combo. So boom, right there, there's $80 savings plus tax, like $88, about $87 savings. $87 savings right there so far. A bunch of, they had some open box items, and got them to take a little bit more money off the open box items. Ended up taking like an extra $5 off the wrenches, and they took another $5 off these crow's feet. So saved an extra $5 on these, saved an extra $5 on the wrenches. I think they may have took like $1 off a couple of these other items. We got a couple flexed wrenches, some extensions. Have to double check the receipts. I think you may have took $1 or $2 off a couple of them. So saved $10 to $12 additional on the open box stuff. That's in addition to the already marked down price. Of course, a couple items missing here and there, but nothing missing with the ratchet. So I say work good. Got 5 days to return any open box items if they don't work. Got some Bauer impact rated long magnetic net setters. You got SAE and a metric set here somewhere. Got this little kneeling pad. Power strip to put on the tool cart. A big magnetic tray. Little picks. Already had a set of these. Got another set to stick in the tool cart. So I have to run back and forth across the shop. Rare occasions need them, but they're like $2 for the kit, for the set. So, and I got 30% off that, so that makes it, what, about $1.30? Those cost. That's some magnetic socket trays for the tool cart. Stick the sockets on the lid or something. Of course, they're 30% off. Couple extra wrench sets that were not too much, plus 30% off, so they're probably only about $5 in the end. A set, so $5 for each set of wrenches after the 30% off discount. Bauer flashlight. Got some magnet hooks for the tool cart. Got several more magnetic dishes. These really come in handy around the shop when taking stuff apart. Been working on so much stuff all at once lately. So many people coming in. And got a couple kids now helping on weekends until school gets out. So I've been taking a lot of stuff apart at once, and it helps to keep all the nuts and bolts separate. And if we gotta wait on parts or something come in, and write on a piece of paper what those bolts or nuts or screws are for, and stick it in a bag or stick it with the mower. So I went ahead and got a few more of those, so we got plenty. Little folding key knife. Had one of these on the keychain for something like 10 years and finally broke. So that was like $2 and 30% off. So $1.30, something like that, about. A little bit bigger magnetic dish. Metric impact rated magnetic net setters. Here's metric long ones. Another Bauer LED flashlight. There's not one of the other chargers. And you got a couple more magnetic cup holders for the sticking the tool cabinet lids or tool carts. Pretty nice, so I went and grab a couple more of them. In total, yeah, you're waiting. We know you've been waiting. How much saved? How much saved total? Added up, roughly total saved, estimated at about $180 with tax saved, the money saved on sales tax for that too. So about $180 saved. So came out ahead with the ITC membership last week and the extra 30% off items under 20. Was able to get a bunch more stuff. And that savings racked up enough to pay for the 2 years membership, plus the $20 saved last week on the grease gun, in addition to the $20 combo price for the ITC membership. Oh, bam! There you go, nice big truckload tool haul from Harbor Freight, $180 saved. Lots of new Bauer stuff to try out here, so stay tuned for more videos and trying this stuff out. Thanks for watching. Oh, one last thing. Special thanks to Cassandra and James, the manager at Harbor Freight, for helping make sure all the discounts were applied. Had a little issue, but James got taken care of, and thanks James for taking a little bit more off the open box stuff too. So just want to give Cassandra and James and the others at Harbor Freight that helped out a big shout out, big thank you for being so wonderful, nice, helpful here tonight and last Sunday as well. Thanks for watching. Joe Smith here, sign out.